at arm's length, bare arms, coat of arms, and several more meanings with the words arm and arms we are going to check in today's video. Hello guys, this is Olga, and in today's lesson we are going to see how many of these you know, understand and use. Let's go. So first of all, your arms are the two long parts of your body that are attached to your shoulders and have your hands at the end. For instance, he had a large parcel under his left arm. And the synonyms are limb, upper limb, appendage. Next, an arm of an organization, for instance, is a part of it which operates in a different country or deals with a particular activity. So you can say Millicom Holdings is the British arm of an American company. Instead of arm, you can say branch, part, office, department. You can also talk about arms of the chair. So these are the parts where you rest your arms. So you can say, I rested my arms on the arms of an armchair. It's too many arms here. There is also an expression to keep someone at arm's length. So if you keep someone at arm's length, you avoid becoming too friendly with them or to be involved with them. He had always kept his colleagues at arm's length. If you want to check your level of English and learn it in an easy, pleasant way, relax your brain and still get some benefit, and improve your level of English even with one word or one phrase in about 10-minute video, then you are in the right place. Here on my channel you will find many more videos like this with the meanings of the words which you might not have known, songs, movies, news, speeches of famous people and celebrities. So I invite you to check out my other videos too if you have not seen them. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and hit that ring bell button so that you will be notified about my new videos and you won't lose this channel. Apart from being parts of our bodies, when we say arms, we can talk about weapons and explosives which are used in fighting wars. Small arms, for instance, are guns that are light and easy to carry. Also, when you say in arms or under arms, it means to be armed and prepared for war. Take arms means to prepare to fight. A person's right to bear arms is their right to own and use guns as a means of defense. And also you can say to carry arms, which means to carry guns, to have it with you. To lay down one's arms means to stop fighting. Just like in the lines of Amanda Gorman's inauguration poem, The Hill We Climb, which I have a dedicated video as well, so make sure to check out the description box because I will put the link to this video there as well. There is also such expression as a coat of arms, which is a design usually in the shape of a shield with straight sides and a rounded or pointed lower edge, which is the symbol of a family, university, city or company. Their family coat of arms is easy to recognize. It is two lions holding a baby angel with a star in his hands. There is also an expression which I really like. You can say with open arms. If you welcome some action or change with your open arms, your physical arms, it means that you are pleased about it and you are happy about this action or this change. The same way, if you welcome a person with your open arms, it means you are very happy to see them and you are glad about their arrival. They welcomed him with their open arms after so many years not seeing each other. Millicom Holdings is the British arm of an American company. Millicom Holdings is the British arm of an American company. To lay down one's arms means To lay down one's arms means to stop fighting. If you liked our today's lesson, please give it a thumb because more and more people will be able to find this video and maybe have some benefit from it too. If it was useful for you, please recommend this video to any of your friends for whom it will be valuable and helpful. I hope to see you in my next videos. Until then, take care. Bye.